Welcome to the daily news and views of Triumph IAS. Full analysis is in the description.
Number 1. President Draupadi Murmu confers PM Rashtriya Bal Puraskar. Number 2. Intel Chairman Omar Ishrak quits to be replaced by Frank Yeary. Number 3. Nykaa appoints P. Ganesh as Chief Financial Officer. Number 4. RBI fines Nutan Nagarik Sahakari Bank 26 lakh for violating norms. Number 5. US nominates North Korea human rights envoy for the first time since 2017. Number 6. BharatPe hires 3 new executives amid Ashneer Grover legal battle. Number 7. Rashid Khan becomes fastest bowler to take 500 wickets in T20 cricket history. Number 8. Former Vice Chief of Air Staff, Air Marshal Harjeet Singh Arora, passes away at 61. Number 9. Shamalbhai B Patel, named Chairman of Amul.
If you liked the video, then please subscribe the channel.